Hi everyone, today I'm excited to share a wonderful and easy technique in Blender, how to retain the cloth shape using cloth simulation. It's a simple method that helps you keep your clothes looking just the way you want it. Okay, so let's get started. First, take a cloth mesh with a custom shape of your liking. Add cloth simulation to your cloth object, and then go to the object data properties to create a new vertex group. I renamed mine to pin, but you can leave it as the default. It doesn't really matter. Then, assign that vertex group to the pin group in the cloth simulation settings. You'll find this option under the shape panel. Next, I link the cloth object to my animated character using a child of constraint, which you can find in the constraints panel. Now let's start weight painting the model. To do that, go to the top left corner of the 3D viewport and open the Object Interaction Mode dropdown. From there, switch from Object Mode to Weight Paint. This will allow us to paint the influence of the cloth simulation directly onto the mesh. At this point, all you need to do is fine-tune your weight paint. Red areas will retain their shape, while blue areas will be fully affected by the cloth simulation. Thank you for watching. I hope this technique helps you in your future projects. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Your support really helps my channel grow.